Hello, everyone. It's Renee from Resources by Renee, and I am here to extend a warm invitation for an event that you do not want to miss. It is a book signing event for the Collision of Purpose with Dr. Laxley Stephenson, happening on March 2nd in Snellville, Georgia. Listen, you don't want to miss this because you'll be there to witness what excellence is. Pretty much, I've learned a long time ago that excellence doesn't happen by accident. It's not by chance. It's with the grace of God, with skillful intention, sincere effort, and intelligent direction, and really the ability to see obstacles as opportunities. So we want to celebrate with Dr. Laxley Stephenson and his team that night with an award ceremony. Come on out and be inspired by so many. Over the past year, we've been hearing with Dr. Laxley Stephenson what purpose is. He's been redefining that, having us thinking, why am I here? What do I need to do to fulfill my purpose that God has me here for? And we want to be able to celebrate and come together with love and encouragement. So listen, put on your garment of excellence for March 2nd in Snellville, Georgia, as we celebrate Dr. Laxley Stephenson. Remember, celebrating the success of others just opens the door for us to be the next recipient of success. By the way, success looks great on you. See you March 2nd.